Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will explain you two important updates to be obtained in our channel in our learning process. Okay, so 4 months ago I was posted a voting in our channel. Do you need any blog for reading the articles? Okay, so now we can see I am explaining all the concepts and videos in video representation, but some of the people need the explanation in written format. In the sense, some of the people is needed the explanation of the videos in the written format. Okay, so basically for that I was posted 4 months back a post which is related to the voting system. Are you interested in reading the blogs for civil engineering content? Please vote me. I will try to create a content for better understanding. So approximately I got 320 votes. Okay, so 96% of the people are asking me to create the blog for better understanding. Okay, so and most of the people from the duration of this 4 months, they are asking to create one blog for better understanding of the concepts. Okay, so due to the requirement of our subscriber, I was created a blog. So yesterday I was already posted in my community tab, which is related to the reinforcement details of G+1 building in our blog. Okay, so if you need the blog, I will provide you the blog details in the below description of this respected video. By using that link, you can directly see the blog. Okay, the blog is simple: civil basics. Just type civil. Just I am typing here. I already typed. Just I am typing civil basics. Okay, so 123.blogspot.com. This is the link which is related to our website. Okay, so you can directly Google the website name civil basics 123blog.blogspot.com. Okay, so I will update this blogspot.com to .com or .net, depends upon your interest and depends upon your concern. Okay, so I will update as soon as possible for the respected section. So this is the link which is related to our website civil basic 123.blogspot.com. Okay, I will provide the link in the below description. You can directly click on that, then you directly go to my blog. Okay, so click on the center option so that my blog will be open here like this. Civil engineering knowledge is the main name for this respected section. It will be consisting of about us, terms and conditions, and this respected section. Okay, so you can directly connect with me by using contact us option. So this last option will be consisting of the contact us. So you can enter your name and your mail ID and your comments, so that I will try to give the comments for your respected questions, and you can directly contact me through the mail civilengineeringbyshravan@gmail.com. Okay, so I will show you one simple blog I was created here for simple G+1 complete reinforcement details. So here I am selecting this article. Okay, so it will be consisting of all the information which is related to the blog. Okay, so like in this article I will explain you the complete reinforcement details of G+1 building structure which is located in Indian condition system. Okay, this like information is most important. Okay, so most of the people are asking me to written notes or book or blog type content. They are interested to know the more information regarding the civil engineering concepts. Okay, so due to that reason only I was created the blog. Okay, civilbasics.blogspot.com is my ID for the blog name. Okay, you can directly Google it. Otherwise, you can directly click on the link which is provided on the below description of this respected video. Okay, so this is the first update. So at least I will provide you one post per 2 days. Okay, so yesterday I was posted a blog which is related to the G+1 complete reinforcement details. So in my tomorrow section I will provide you what are the top 5 softwares civil engineers must know. Okay, so tomorrow I will post this respected information in our blog. I will share you that respected blog link in the community tab also. So in yesterday class I was already send a link which is related to the G+1 reinforcement details in our website, so you can directly see that in our community tab. So please follow our community tab as well as your respected video. Okay, so every day the video will be comes around 9 or 10 o'clock, in between 9 to 10 o'clock PM. So and the blog will become in alternative day. In blog also I will explain you some of the important and some of the must know concepts in our blog. Okay, so please follow our blog for a better understanding of the concepts. Okay, so this is the first update in our channel. And one more thing, in my community tab I was already posted some picture regarding the mini project and major projects. Okay, so if the people anyone need the mini project and major project support from me, please try to text to my WhatsApp number which is available in the community tab. You can directly check that number which is available on my community tab. So you can directly contact with me through the WhatsApp, so that I will give you the replies for the WhatsApp. Okay, so for better understanding of the project. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for better understanding of the all the concepts. So please try to support me on blog also, so I will give you better content on the blog itself. Okay, so if you have any queries about this content, please try to contact me through the blog, or you can directly contact me through the mail ID which is provided on the description of this video, and every video I will provide you the mail ID. Thank you.